Hey guys, I am on the Fiverr, so I just search website traffic on Fiverr. When I search website traffic, I got lot of gigs. So those gigs has lot of rating, and most of them are 5 star, and definitely those are positive rating, positive feedback. So there has high demand to website traffic or buy website traffic, but this is fake. Those are not real human, those are fake bots. So there has some application, yeah, only they have to put your link on that application, and that application will send bot traffic to your website. So it will damage to your website ranking, and it will hurt your website. Also, if you have Google AdSense, um, then if notice your website get bot traffic, Google AdSense account will be banned. So don't ever buy this kind of traffic or this kind of traffic gig. So they talk about lot of things, USA traffic and high quality traffic. Some guys say there has AdSense safe traffic, so there has no traffic called AdSense safe. So the reason for they called it, those all traffic sources are fake. So it's really break. I don't know how to tell. By the way, this is so fake. They call their traffic source will be Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Nope, they will never send any traffic from those kind of social media accounts of Google. So this is really bad, and I don't know why this guy do this. There has to 52 orders in queue. That means lot of guys buy this kind of fake traffic gigs without they knowing it. So they definitely, it will hurt their website, and if they have Google AdSense account, that account will ban. So I don't like this kind of marketing or make money on doing those kind of stuff. So that's why I talk about that. So this guy has uh, 87 orders. He said USA real traffic, high quality. So those are fake. There has no traffic like USA traffic. USA real traffic, because you can't target. I don't know how to target how they target that traffic from USA, but yeah, it's fake. Don't just don't buy those kind of traffic. But there has good thing. So if you really need to optimize your website, and if you really need high quality traffic, you can build backlink to your website, and you can optimize your website. You can do SEO optimize. If you don't have any idea about SEO or backlink building, you can buy those kind of service, but don't buy this kind of fake traffic, because it will hurt your website. If you want to optimize your website, you can just search SEO service, then you will find person who uh, optimize your website and build backlink. So those are the real stuff. You will see the backlink, and your domain authority will domain authority and domain ranking will be up when you build backlink to your website. But if you just buy those kind of fake traffic, you will not get any kind of good to your website, because you may get some traffic, or your Google Analytics will show some kind of traffic on your website. But the issue is, after 30 days or after their service, after end their service, you will no longer get any kind of this customer or any kind of bot to your website. So you have to order again those kind of traffic to your website. So that is really bad, and you will not make any sales if you do affiliate marketing on your website. If you do some kind of, or if you try to make money on Google AdSense, you will not make any money by doing those kind of fake traffic. So you can try to build backlink, and you can try to write SEO articles. So SEO articles, if you search SEO article writing, you will see great gigs. Those are the great gigs. Fiverr is a really great place to build successful website to get high quality service. But those are who uh, sell those kind of fake stuff. uh, don't buy those kind of fake stuff. So if you search SEO article writing, you will see lot of guys who write SEO article. I will do SEO article writing, blog writing and website content. So go to that gig and contact that person. After that, give you a keyword. That person will write quality article according to your keywords, and SEO article according to your keywords. So if you don't have any kind of idea about SEO or backlink building, you can buy those stuff. That is the correct way to do. But if you buy some kind of uh, traffic like this 30-day traffic or AdSense safe traffic, you will never get any kind of good to your website. You just waste your time and your money also. It will hurt to your website or any kind of URL. So never buy those kind of stuff. There has no traffic called AdSense safe, or there has no 30-day traffic or something like that. Those are bots. So if you want real human, you have to write good article, SEO friendly article, and you have to build backlink, and you have to get some social signal. That is the only way you can build successful and long term income with blogging or YouTube or any kind of this stuff. So this is the video. I think finally you understand what I am saying, because I am not good at talking about this kind of stuff, but I saw those gigs. That's why I want to talk about this. And I will see you in next one. Bye bye.